What's up, guys? Back again. We're going to be installing this little shower head, so stick around. So I did try the whole acetic acid, put it in vinegar, because we do have hard water. But I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and buy a couple of these. See if I can get the chrome looking ones, because if I get the chrome, it'll kind of match what we already have. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and loosen this up, take it off. I'll put a little more Teflon on there, so let me wrap that around. So you just want to wrap a little in the direction that you're going to be putting it on. So this, for us, is to the right. Okay. I don't like to put any on the very end because then it gets all messed up. We just need to seal up here. I've always had a good luck with mowing. Now I do need to get a water softener because I do have hard water. So every so often I'm going to have to rinse this out with vinegar if I want to keep it clear. But it's brand new for now. It was brand new, but it's brand new for now, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, so down there. So instead of messing up that fitting, I'm just gonna put this over it, and I know where it's at. It's right here. Tighten it down. I did that just so I didn't scratch it all up. Okay, so it looks good. And let's do the settings. And anyway, Mama will be happy. And there you go. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.